Is it sometimes, sometime, or sometime? Are you confused yet? Don't be. The answer is not as difficult as you might think. Welcome to English on the Mark. My name is Marek Pena, and today we are going to talk about the difference between sometimes, sometime, and sometime. Let's begin with sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb of frequency, and it means occasionally, from time to time, or now and then. The word sometimes is often used with the present simple tense. Let's look at some examples here. Sometimes I go to Starbucks to prepare my lessons. I sometimes wonder if I should quit my job and just travel. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. This is how we use sometimes in context. But have you noticed anything interesting about this particular adverb? The word sometimes can go at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a sentence. For example, sometimes we eat lunch together. Or, we sometimes eat lunch together. Or, we eat lunch together sometimes. Regarding the middle position, there are some rules that you need to follow, but that's a different lesson that we might cover in the future. Let's look at sometime now. Sometime is also an adverb, and it refers to some unspecified or unknown time, usually in the future. For instance, I would like to see you sometime. Or, it's a long story. I will tell you about it sometime. Or, you should come over and have dinner with us sometime. When you use the word sometime, think of the words one day, someday, at some point, or sooner or later. We are talking about a point in time that is not specified, that is not clear. So when I say, you should come over and have dinner with us sometime, I am referring to some unspecified time in the future, which could be next week or next month. We can also use various time expressions with the word sometime. We could say sometime soon, sometime next week, or sometime last year to refer to the past. For example, let's have coffee sometime soon. Or, we should get together sometime next week. Or, she moved to Mexico sometime last year. Finally, we will look at sometime, an expression which means a period of time. This could be an hour, 2 weeks, or a couple of months. We do not specify how long this period of time is. For example, every morning, I spend some time reading the news. Or, it took me some time to find my car keys yesterday. Or, it will take you some time to prepare for your job interview. From these examples, you can clearly see that sometime can be used in the present, in the past, or in the future. To finish this lesson, let's look at a very short dialogue, which will allow us to see these words used in context. Sometimes I feel like you really don't want to hang out with anyone anymore. Stop it! You know how busy I am at work. It takes me some time to finish my projects each day. I am just too tired to do anything else afterward. You definitely need a break. Let's grab a drink sometime next week. What do you say? Sounds like a plan. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. But before we go, I would like you to write your own example sentence. Just one sentence using either sometimes, sometime, or sometime. Incorporate the one that is the most difficult for you to use, and write your sentence in the comments down below. That's all there is for today. Thank you very much, and I truly hope that you have learned something today.